No, so in today's show, ladies and gentlemen, we have heard there is a rare beast making an appearance, and it is in the form of a 1968 Ford Mustang. The kind that Steve McQueen would be proud of. Let's go and take a look. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are deep in the rainforest, and we are going to find a rare and magnificent beast.
Tell me, young lady, what's it like being in a real Mustang? Only joking, I'm going.
Dan Cumlo. How gorgeous it is.
Wow.
All the cream interior, all the way through to the back.
Absolutely beautiful.
See this, I just said, being a millennial, I said to Mike, I was like, why does it say map on the lights? And he was like, it's a map light for maps.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, how cool is that?
Very cool. All the little details.
Oh, it's so exciting.
Pump up the jam.
Where's she gone? Clyde! Come here, chump. Clyde making a fucking cigarette, you. Go on. Start jacking that up for the fucking ratings.
I can't, I haven't got a brew. It's not going to work the same.
You won't get the views.
I won't get the views of that cup of tea.
How we're doing that side?
Go on.
A bit more.
What table up?
Yeah, right against the wheel as well, so hopefully.
Pump away, babe. You'll have to go quite high because you'll take the suspension with it.
Okay.
Very good.
That?
Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Hi, Dave, stuck in the corner. What are you doing over there, you crazy bastard? Right, who can go over? Kyle, is that you in the corner?
That is me at the corner.
If you come over next to Uncle Dave and
You put it, we're cosy in the corner.
cozy beautifully in the corner.
Be careful when we grab it.
Where's that?
That's in the back. There's
Alright.
there's no air filter on it at the moment. We used to have to start it, same as the truck used to just put a bit of petrol down it. That's what you call a 4-barrel Holly carburetor. So you can actually hear the fuel going, sucking it down like you wouldn't believe.
Because it's a beast.
It is a beast. It is a beast, and it is made of an era. It was made of a time and an era where fuel was cheap. Where now fuel is not cheap. So you can. I think when we did the Woodvale Rally, was it £1 a mile? We were running, and then if we were hoofing it, it was what? It was like $2.30 a mile. So it was something stupid, wasn't it? It was just literally sucking that much fuel.
Yes, but you've got to remember it was built in the days when fuel, American fuel, was very
fuel was
cheap.
cheap. This is
Something
it.
like 30 cents a gallon. American gallon, not an English gallon.
It was
You'd like to put your last 20 quid within this though, wouldn't you?
That wouldn't last
Just
more
run
than
it like
5
hell.
minutes.
Yeah, I know it would. What do you think?
Because smiles per gallon.
Smiles. It's smiles per gallon. It's smiles per gallon.
It's the best one you can have for £20.
Without taking your clothes off.
Without taking
And even then, let's face it, prefer to be in this.
Yeah.
So, the Mustang, how long has this been sat in here, Sean?
Right, so it's been here for 11 years where it's been dry stored.
11 years.
It's now going back over to Brennan and Abby,
Yeah.
and they're going to carry on working on it and get it back on the road.
Yeah.
It was their father's car. The father was unfortunately taken from us a number of years ago.
Oh, right.
And we had to keep the car in dry storage for them for when they were old enough to, and when they could afford to work on it.
Yeah. So, it's been 11 years.
11 years dry stored in this little workshop, nicely tucked out the way.
So what do you think needs to happen with it to get it running?
What you'd have to do, you do everything. You take all the brakes off, you make sure the cylinders are okay, fuel lines, everything, and then recommission it. It's not a lot of work. It's just time.
Yeah. Time and money.
So, next plan now is we're going to be getting her outside, I think, aren't we?
Oh God, yeah. There's enough of us here.
So I've got the responsibility of steering it.
Well, basically, I thought that you were the lightest. Well, kind of. Well, you're a little bit lighter than me, marginally. Seriously. For those of you watching, this girl can eat her own weight in cake. Like you wouldn't believe. And that is so true. Now, what the frig?
What we'll do is Sarah sent me the picture of me eating the cake at the engagement party.
How you were
I'll
like
put that in the clip.
I don't like doing this. I hate you, Dave.
So, now we all get there.
Yes, you do.
Get her out and get her moving.
It's a fucking heavy fucking lump.
Don't speak about yourself like that.
I'm a heavy lump. It's a fucking heavy lump.
Which side?
Every side's best for me.
Well, last time we filmed this, Mike, it was
As long as
truckers.
it's not my backside.
All clear. Wow, look at that in the sunlight.
Oh, it's got a knobs button.
Stop there for a sec. Yeah, we'll go back. Right. Fuck off!
This is going to end so badly. Oh yeah. I'm trying to. Biker life, baby. So guys, we've been into the wild, we've found the Mustang, we've helped get it moved, it's now in a home where it needs to be. And it's not every day you get to see an old 68 Mustang like that. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, won't we, Sean?
Do we have to talk on this one?
No. Take it easy, guys.
There you go. Yeah, we've got it in there. Oh, have you?